So hello coders, welcome to another video of lead code problem. So in this problem, Alice and Bob are playing a game. You can say a digit game. According to question, Alice can choose either all single digit number. Single digit number means all the numbers lying between 0 to 9, and or Alice can choose all double digit number. All double digit number means all the numbers lying between 10 to 99. Alice and Bob. So one second. So here it's Alice can win if and only if the sum of the number chosen by Alice, that is the sum of all the single digit number or sum of all the double digit number, is greater than the sum of numbers which are chosen by Bob. That is, if Alice can choose single digit number, then Bob will choose double digit number, or if Alice can choose double digit number, then Bob can choose single digit number. So Alice is smart enough and she got the first chance to choose the number, so she can choose smartly to win the game. So moving to the constraint part, you can see that the numbers given in the array lies between 1 to 99. So the number is either single digit number or double digit number. So this observations makes or helps you to write the code easily. So move to the coding part. So first of there is a given array of vector of nums where all the numbers are given, that is number 1 2 3 lying between 99. Okay, so first of all you can make a 2 int sin or and dou. Here I am making sin to store all the numbers of single digit, sum of all the numbers, and in dou I am storing all the sum of double digit numbers. So iterate in the vector from iterate in the vector and store. If the number is less than 10, that is single digit number, you can store or add it to sin, else it is a double digit number. As you know it, the in constraint part, that the number must be or the number is between 1 to 99. So the number can't be 3 digit number, 4 digit number, or n digit number greater than 3 digit number. So after iterating in the vector num, you can get a sin where sum of all the single digit numbers are stored. In dou all the sum of double digit numbers are stored. So return true. So return true. According to question, return true if all the single digit number or all the double digit number can't be equal. Because Alice is smart enough, so he can choose the greater one, and Bob will have only one condition, that he can win if and only if the sum of single digit number and double digit number are equal. So this will return true in all the conditions where single digit number and double digit number are not equal. This condition is false, that is Bob will win if single digit number and double digit number are equal. So thank you. If you can't understand any part or anything related to this question, comment down below. So bye bye.